In this video, we will discuss the tool palettes and how they're used in Civil 3D. The tool palettes is an AutoCAD interface component. However, Civil 3D will take over the tool palettes to use them for corridor modeling. What it does is it lists all the library full of subassemblies, which we will discuss in future videos, that you can add to an assembly. Basically the building blocks of a corridor model, your road, a path, a ditch, etc. As you can see, it categorizes them into different tabs that you can then add specific subassemblies. The way that you interface with the tool palettes is you right-click on it. You right-click basically in the different parts of the tool palette. If I right-click on a palette here, you can see you can create a new one or rename it. Let's go ahead and pull the tool palette out for a second. So if you right-click over here, you'll see you get a different set of menus. Just like if you right-click over here, you get a different shortcut menu as well. If you're not seeing all the palettes that you think you should see, click on this little area over here of the tool palettes. It lists all the different palettes that are available. The location of where the palettes are found is located in the Options dialog box. If you right-click in space and go to Options here, navigate to the Files tab, and there's a tool palette file locations. If your company uses your own predefined palettes or has their own CAD standards, you can simply add and then browse for that location, and it'll build the palettes on top of each other.